Heading over to Nate's today. It's gonna be like a maintenance day on the trucks, mainly mine, I think. Since I got a 2,000 mile trip to go on next week. Gotta change oil and a couple other things. Freaking cold, it's freezing, it's gonna snow. See how it goes. But first, I'll do 3 24-ounce gourmet lattes with vanilla.
Yeah.
Iced. There we go. Ooh, nice and clean. All right. Finally bought a cleanable air filter. I was gonna go AFE, but like they don't exist right now. Used to hate K&N, but I don't know, I haven't heard bad things lately. Get my Fram. Just kidding. I think this is a Wix. Oh, dude, that's dirty.
Reese's horsepower.
That's a little more bugs than anything. Yeah, it's a Wix.
Terrible.
But check this out.
How long that one's been in there?
Since Oregon. I put it in right before Oregon.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I looked it up. I didn't know if this was correct. No wonder it flows more. It's a quarter of the freaking thickness.
Interesting.
There's the whole main reason why I bought it. It's because of this. Of course, no one works on my truck. Me, so I don't need to put the discard.
Yeah, mechanics in the comments section. Do you even pay attention to stickers like that?
I've heard a lot of places throw them away. Yeah, that's right. That's weird. I didn't expect it to be so much smaller. A little dirty in there. I don't really care. All right. Yeah, I didn't go with a full intake. Goose Tune said there's no point. So, just gotta drop in. A lot cheaper, at least.
Save $300 on a cold air intake. Go towards Harbor Freight 3-ton off-road drive.
Yeah. I think in the next couple months, I'm doing the coolant swap. It's been below the minimum line since I bought it, so I'm not using coolant, but I don't know how I'm gonna do that. If I'm gonna do it the way Ford does it or actually flush it out. I don't know if I want to flush it out. Just might do it the way they do it.
Going with the green stuff?
No, it's yellow.
Oh.
It's cold as hell up here. You got this?
No.
I got it. I don't even know if it makes a difference. Oh, I'll check my catch can while we're doing this. This is gonna be a bitch. I haven't taken this off in a while. Just freaking gushes.
That would be terrible.
I checked this at work a few months ago, I think. So I may not have emptied it because I wanted to see how much it did. No, I didn't empty it. So this is like,
Oops, wrong way.
it's like 7,000 miles. And only have a 1/4 inch at the bottom.
Nice.
You got a light for under here.
KC
Cyclone?
Cyclones.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Well, now I sort of want to get the Baja Design dome light because then I can just wire it in and press the button.
Oh, the one I have?
Yeah.
Yeah.
For the winch.
Yeah.
I might just do that for under here.
Would be sick.
All right, let's get onto the oil.
Oh! Okay. Okay.
Go.
Okay. Bring it down, bring it down, bring it down, bring it down.
Yeah, I'm gonna get the billet one. I just forget.
Order right now. We'll be here.
No. I need to make like a note.
They got drone technology now. Can't they just ship it to your house less than 3 minutes?
Walmart Super Tech. Yeah, I've been running Amsoil since I got it. 36,000 miles. Run my signature.
How many miles were on this when you got it?
36.
I thought it 24.
No. Yours at 24.
Yeah, but that's why I thought yours did too for
No,
some reason.
I'm at 36.
Yeah,
spare oil.
Well, that's not bad then.
Filter. EAO 17. Yeah, okay. I threw this in here. I'm not using it. So put it on right.
See, he says he puts Amsoil in, but if you look back there, it's a frickin' Fram filter.
I'm gonna make sure it's good. Just drink some. I can get all the way down to it with these bottles.
Yeah, those butters are nice.
Probably pay like $1.50 of the $20 a quart on that. Yeah, but if anybody wants Amsoil and doesn't want to buy through the website, I know a dealer. Can message me or something. Throw that behind the Arby's. That's where we dropped the oil, right?
Mm-hmm. Did you get that Arby's sauce?
No.
What? Where was it at, Fred Meyer?
Yeah. No, I wasn't gonna get any of that stuff until we knew we were gonna make something.
I'm not doing the spacers today. I just want to drill and tap it. The GFC.
Yeah. No, fuck the spacers.
Yeah,
Right
so
now. Fuck
cool.
that.
Dude, one knuckle buster
This is
and
hard
you'd be
enough.
screaming.
Probably split your skin so fast too. It's dry.
Clack, 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 clack. There it goes. Someone's gonna comment, your can phasers are going out, motherfucker.
Yeah, I don't think so. Nate's just pressure washing all the mud and crap out from underneath this truck. Got the Thurin truss kit. So my buddy from work's gonna weld it all on for him in a couple weeks. Got my oil changed, filter, put in the new Cannon air filter. Some more winterized washer fluid. I was gonna Rain-X all my windows and get that ready. I mean, they're already done, just a little nicer since you're driving for 12 hours next week for a day. But forgot the Rain-X at home. It's also gonna waterless wash the truck and do like a graphene detail spray, but ain't gonna happen. It's too wet. So it's not like it's gonna look good anyways. So far liking the X2 Power battery. I mean, there's really nothing to complain about if your battery just works, so that works. It's a good upgrade after the Ford one was getting older.
Finally got so GFC's response was to just send me new bolts. Obviously it didn't fit, so their alternative was to drill and tap and put a bigger bolt in, because you go up to the next bolt size and the head of the bolt isn't going to fit in this machine apart. So I have to modify
Holy shit, dude.
this part.
The top side wanted to pull out. Oh, top side's loose as shit.
I know. I couldn't tighten it on the trail because I couldn't get this
I
off.
remember. Yeah.
That's probably threaded out too, and I should have bought 2 bolts.
We should try to see if it'll work first before you drill that.
I know that's the right size. That's dicky. But I don't want to strip it by tightening this in.
No, I'd take it out. Oh, yeah, that fits.
Oh. Okay, so if you have this issue with GFC, get this bolt. I forget what it was called. Carriage? It wasn't a carriage bolt.
It's like a...
But the GFC
Cap
style
screw.
ones they use is the button head hex, and this is like a cap. I think it's just called like a hex cap screw.
Yeah.
That's surprising that perfectly fits.
When you go upside, oh, it fits. Perfect.
Let's go drill that.
Don't bring that drill bit out.
Oh yeah, good call. This is why you have a buddy. Now I need to grab the other.
Nice, well hopefully that holds up. I mean, 5/16 is better to use anyways.
Yeah, I mean, that's a nice size.
Of course, they'll just say your clamps aren't supposed to come loose, but they weren't even loose, they just didn't hold.
Yeah.
I think that new style will work.
Jagger design, step up. Ooh, that should be the next thing you do is like mattress real quick.
Alright, I got some mods. Other mods of the GFC.
Hey, huh?
Are you already, you know what you should do?
What?
Get a hot glue.
I did put that in.
Oh, you did hot glue?
Yeah. It must have popped out again.
You can't stand up to your daily driving.
Apparently. Jesus, it's ridiculous. Yeah, you're supposed to like
This thing's just blown out.
do this and just get it in there again. But yeah, I just don't understand why that keeps blowing out. I don't understand.
I can't understand, it's fucking cold.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright, let's get in here where it's warmer. Ugh. Crank this thing out.
It's 31 degrees and wet outside. We're waiting for it to snow. It's freaking cold. With the little buddy going on.
If we can get it going on.
If it starts.
It's cold. Alright, so normally getting the GFC, it's a little difficult. You gotta like prop yourself up, you know, or have something to step on, but these Jagger design steps make it really nice.
It's fancy.
So, alright.
Dude, that already got it warm up here.
Oh yeah, dude, it's fucking great.
I'm gonna freaking pass out and die here in a minute.
Alright. Overland Soft Goods does make a nice fleece set, which I think would be really, really nice. Oops, sorry.
That's why I'm gonna hold it.
Yeah. So I'd be interested to see how warm the fleece set would be from them. Only because these cotton ones tend to suck in the cold.
Freezing ass cold right now.
Yeah, and you can feel the sheets and they're frosty. Oh yeah, plenty of room. Plenty of
I'm
room.
gonna put them down here when you're done.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Ooh. Yeah, no, that's fitted nice.
Yeah, I mean, just fit it a little bit better here. All right, got them in, sheets fit. It's very nice. Like you press down the first inch and it feels hard, but then you get down to the 2-inch, which is I think a harder foam on the GFC, which is nice, but I think the thing that Overland Soft Goods was talking about is their foam won't harden up when it's cold. And the GFC foam that they use does. So it does make it more stiff. I know when I'm a side sleeper and I toss and turn through the night and be really sore in my shoulders. So we'll see how this does. Yeah, hopefully it'll relieve that issue.
Maybe. Holy crap.
Huh?
That breeze.
It's cold.
Well, all done with the maintenance day. Just left Nate's house. I mean, more so hung out than just actually worked on stuff, but it got freaking cold. It keeps getting colder because it's gonna snow, I guess. It's definitely freezing again. Yeah, just going home now. Never ate lunch, so getting home, make some nachos. Next video you're gonna get is our road trip back home, where we're from, Northern California. So it's about a 12-hour, 13-hour, depending, drive. It's also gonna snow this whole week here, it looks like. So that means it's probably snowing through Oregon and on the passes. So we'll see if it's a 12-hour trip. We're leaving Friday morning at like 6 a.m. So we'll bring the camera along and just see, even make it interesting, I don't know. I mean, we're just driving, but I have a whole route selected from Google Maps for fuel and food. And maybe check out some stuff if it's not just freaking snowy and cloudy. There's some cool stuff to check out. That was like when I